So, do you ever go smoking? I did. You did? He died in my arms after he tried to kill me. It's heartbreaking. You should never said those things. None of that matters, Peter.